I forgot to press record. So we are on the ship. That took minutes. Basically, what's the time? Time is just before 20 past 12.
Yep.
So we were up into the immigration hall right on 12. We were in the queue there, so that was pretty quick.
It doesn't take long at all.
Domestic cruise, so it should be quicker anyway.
And again, just remember, like on P&O, you get given your cards when you do the check-in. So you've already got them ready. We had our lanyards, so they're already around our necks, but if you didn't bring a lanyard, you can buy them on board as well.
So we're just coming up now to get scanned in. We'll get scanned in now. Thank you. Scanned. Hello. Thank you. Hey.
What is your massage session? A?
A.
Turn right.
So in the muster station A, which on Pacific Encounter is down near the theatre,
Yes.
main theatre.
Yes.
So just waiting to
Through
get
those
signed
doors.
off. Which doors?
Through those doors.
Those doors.
Yeah.
And the booking station is down there. We've got our staff here.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Thank you. Okay, can you just give me your number?
8119.
8119. That's it. You just need to watch your safety video on your own and listen what Captain is saying.
Yep,
You're
perfect.
free.
Thank you so
Excellent.
much.
Thank you. Okay, we're all done. Up to the room. Oops. Let's fix up the camera. Eight. Hey?
8110.
So, heading over now. So these are the front stairs that would just come up on the ship.
Yeah, so in at deck 7. So we're on deck 8, so we're going to come up 1.
Apparently all the rooms are done already.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
So, so normally I like to try and get a cabin midship, but
We can't get much closer to the front.
we're getting pretty close to the front on this one. Should be just here, Dom.
Yep.
So,
It is.
let me get the view. Hang on.
Oh, what's there?
So,
The card in.
card in. Got some mail there.
Go around there.
8119.
These ones don't need your key to put in the door. You just can push the button and turn the lights on.
Yep, excellent. Much easier than on the Royal ship. So, this is an Oceanview. We've got our early arrival bubbles that we ordered.
Oh, there's a staircase right outside.
Staircase out here. So we'll suss out later if we've got people going past there or not, or whether this is past that cordoned off area on the deck, because some areas are. So we've got our...
So this was the romance package that we ordered. So yeah, it comes with your on arrival your little crudities, bottle of champagne. Oh no, hang on. Did we get the champagne? Is that separate with the fruit?
I forget which packages we got. We usually...
we got the wine and
Sorry, it's just a bit dark.
so the prawns.
No, we didn't do the...
No, so I think we got a wine package and a romance package.
Something like that.
So we'll clarify it. But yeah, bottle of red, bottle of white, bottle of champagne. Nice little fruit platter there. And then the crudities. That's
Yeah, so let's do a room tour. 8119. That's right. I got the room number right this time, didn't I?
I think so, yes.
Excellent. Okay. So we'll go through all our mail in a second. But from the front door, you saw where we came in. We've got the sensor light for the cupboard here. So this is the typical P&O walk-in robe.
Which is lots of hanging. I always do like how much hanging you do get, and lots of hangers in here. But just so you do know, if you don't have enough hangers, you can just ask your steward and they will bring more hangers to your room.
Yep.
Yeah, beach towels are up here. So you can get them replenished as much as you like. You just ask your steward. You don't have to go and return them like on other ships or anything like that. Just use these ones and ask for new ones. And then you've got your safe in there, all the instructions on how to set that, and a nice little bit of shelving, so plenty for us.
Yep, definitely.
And then you've got your little bathroom.
So these, obviously, this is P&O, so you have the typical shower curtain. It's a reasonable shower there. Toilet is there, and then as we come around,
A little bit of undershelf.
a little bit of undershelf on the main basin, and then you've got the shelving all there on the side as well. So there you go. So that's that.
And this is all sensor light into this area, so if you get up in the middle of the night, it'll just turn on for you.
Which is super handy.
And then you've got a full-length mirror there.
Full length mirror just beside the door, which is nice. Very handy for the formal nights and everything else.
Yes, that's right.
And where Deb's standing just there is the door for the connection to the other room, because this is an interconnecting room. We've booked it as a single room, so but just one hint with interconnecting rooms, they aren't as noise proof. You do get a bit of noise leakage generally around the door, so not our preferred option, and we do try to avoid interconnecting where we can, but yeah, they're there. And then
the lamps beside the bed, they've got a USB port each in them as well.
So sometimes can be a little bit dodged, but they generally work pretty reliably.
Yeah.
So we've got the large LG TV up here, and well, we can already hear people in the
Somebody just tried to get into our
through the interconnecting door. So yeah, so we've got that now. We'll just, while I'm over this side, let's just do this bit first. So we've got the little bar fridge, mini fridge, cooler box here. The cooler box fridge, they really are just a cooler box.
Yeah.
Our advice with those, and you've probably heard plenty of other people say it as well, is leave the door open.
Oh yes, that's correct.
Because it gives the fridge better ventilation, and so it can cool better. It can expel the hot air that it's trying to get rid of. So keep it open if you can.
Yep.
Yeah. So anyway, and you were going to show.
I was just going to say, so you've got obviously your little chair and your drawers in here, so a little bit more storage. Your hairdryer, it's just your basic, just push out hairdryer if you need to use that. Obviously your phone. We've got in here is the Good Times, which is P&O's.
I've got to say, and I know you can go and request printed ones on the Royal ships, but I got to say the printed copies of the ship's magazine every day, P&O do it. And I know people, want to save the trees and everything else, and the digital, and the digital's good, but there's nothing quite like a tactile cruise program.
I don't mind the apps, but yeah, no, this so this will tell you everything that's on today, and then you will be delivered another one tonight for tomorrow. So every night they will drop these out the front of your room.
Yep.
With all the things that are going on. So
cool.
Everything and anything.
So this is, as Deb mentioned, we did order our a cheese and wine platter. This is a yummy looking platter. There's a bit too much smelly cheese on there for me, but they seem to do that. I don't know why they don't go with more conservative cheeses.
And
but
Sayos.
And Sayos, but that's good. Some dried pears, dried grapes. Yeah. So we did that with a bottle of red or white, and then we did we've actually got 3 bottles in here. So let me go through. So we've got,
that needs to go in the fridge.
We've got the We got the cheese and wine platter.
Yes.
Where'd you go, Deb? Oh no, it's coming back to me. We got the cheese and wine platter.
That's what it was, yes.
We got the, let me show this one. I'm spinning around, I'm going to make our viewers dizzy. We got the fruit platter with wine. That's the Bon Voyage package, that one.
Right, okay.
Alright?
Yep.
And then because it's your birthday, or was your birthday last week, and I was a bit busy with some work stuff, we didn't get to celebrate, but we are now. So we've got the cheese and wine, the fruit, the Bon Voyage, and then we've also got the Ultimate Romance package.
Yes.
So that's why we've got the bottle of bubbly as
And then
well.
I think it comes with canapes 2 nights as well.
Yeah.
From memory, so we're all good to go now. I think it's time for a drink.
It is indeed. So there you go. That is a room tour, an introductory room tour. Although, did we show them quickly? There's the view.
No, I'm not sure you did.
I didn't show them the view. So let's just show you the view. There's the view. This is an Oceanview cabin on Pacific Encounter.
Cabin 8119.
So we'll go and do a bit more of a investigation, but there you go. We are going to watch our safety briefing video now. But yeah, there's a room tour for cabin 8119.